Okay, continuing with the project, we're gonna bring that nose out just a little bit. Here we go. And take your pencil, just sort of draw that nose up there like that. And take your knife and follow along there. And just kind of remove that wood in there. Just like that. See that? That's the nose of our little bear. Now, we're going to protrude this. We're going to remove a little bit more wood off of the sides here. See that? And then we're going to we're just going to go ahead and separate. So we're just going to draw a line up here and draw a line from here to here, and we're going to separate the body from the head, just like this. Just like that. Move this light. I'm sorry. One of the problems of carving, of course, is getting the amount of light. The lighting that you have today is pretty poor. Good thing on YouTube you can at least you can enlarge, because what happens when you download a video, as a lot of you know, then it becomes smaller, or it's in the format is smaller. All right, there we go. We just separated the head from the body. Okay, now let's go where the nose is, and we're just going to kind of angle that just a little bit in there and do this. A little bit in there and do that. Okay? Now, we're going to take our pencil, just like this, and we're going to start at the base of the nose, and we're just going to kind of come up here like this. You know how a bear is. Sort of like a little. See that? Little loop. Doesn't take very long. And then we're going to take our knives and we're going to follow that just like this on both sides. And we're going to remove that wood in there. Now, on that other bear we made, it's similar to it. These little bears are wonderful little projects to make. Just take that wood off there. And sort of go around that little area in there. See that? There we go. Now, take your knife underneath the nose and just sort of separate that area in there. Just like that. See? Now, we're going to take and we're going to follow that from here to the edges of where we cut. And all we're going to do is make a cut in here. And we're going to remove this wood in here. Make a cut in here. All we're doing is separating that little cheek part from the bear itself. See? Let's round that just a little bit. Just like that. I'm going to take a little bit more so the head will stand out, because basically the head is the pronunciation of the... There we go. Just like that. Now, we're going to come to the top of the ears, and down the center we're just going to draw a little line right here. We take our knives, we just dig in, we begin to sort of at an angle remove the center of the ears on both sides, just like this. See, just like that? See that? You start to remove the center of the ears. Now, looking at the side, you want to bring on both sides your ears down like this. You want to cut into here. And separate your ears. Just like that. And coming back up here, all you're doing is just kind of separating your ears from the... and continue to separate this way. See that? That's all you're doing. You're just separating the ears from... See that? You're just cutting up in there, just sort of separating the ears from the